Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet to another video. You're a digital entrepreneur and you know this channel, we talk about affiliate marketing, ways to make money online, and the mindset. And if you're brand new to my channel and you have not subscribed, hit that button that says subscribe. Also, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. Now, in this video, we're gonna talk about how you guys can make money online with Quora. Now, I talked about Quora before and ways that you guys can go actually put your affiliate links in there. This is a brand new strategy. You guys are gonna like it. I'm gonna show you what exactly you guys need to do step by step about this strategy. We're gonna jump into my computer and we are gonna go about this strategy with Quora.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are in my computer. And one of the things that I like about Quora is that Quora makes it very easy for you guys to actually just go in there. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to make videos. You don't have to really do anything like that. Quora is gonna it's a website, and if we click on it, it's a website where people ask questions, right? And they ask all kinds of questions about fitness, about working out, nutrition, and then what does having the coronavirus feel like. You know, this is the topic of going on right now. But then you got fitness. What is the ideal diet for getting a six-pack? And you can just go in there, click on this, and you know, once you have a profile, you can answer. And within the answers, I told you before, you can put your affiliate link right here. The problem is that sometimes the way you place the answers will get you banned from Quora because they don't like to just have affiliate links being posted right there. You have to do it in a way that it works a lot better. Okay, so now you have a Quora account. Okay.
So the first thing you need to do, you gotta go to a website. It's called Linktree, and I'm going to show you why do you need this website. Okay, and this is a very easy way and a perfect way that you guys can do affiliate marketing. And once you open an account, so as you can see, this is going to be the way your profile actually looks. Now, why this is important? As you can see, you can add new links to it. Okay, and one of them I already have something that is called how to lose weight with the right food, and it's a Google document. Now, how you guys going to put this in here, I'm gonna show you. We gotta move into the next step. Once you have your account on, you are gonna go to a website that is called FreePLR downloads. Now, this is called free private label right downloads, and I talked about this on previous videos. And this website will give you free ebooks for download, and what you can do with that is you guys can give it away for free. Now, if you can see right here, it goes by niches. Okay, so you got niches like addiction, affiliate marketing, beauty, blogging, business, clickbank. You have everything right here, and they all are available for free. Now, for this specific video, and because my Quora account is for fitness, we are going to go into health and fitness. Okay, and then we're gonna click on that, and it's gonna bring all these books. You can use any one that you want. Okay, this is right here. Then you got all these free ebooks that you guys can actually use for your own self. Okay, so see, we're gonna go into health and fitness, right? But within health and fitness, I want to do weight loss. Okay, because that's what my account on Quora is about. And then we are gonna go and look for a specific book, and this is the book that I want to show you, how to lose weight with the right foods. Okay, so you are going to click on that. Okay, and then you're gonna click on this button that says download. When the download starts, you are going to see it right here. Okay, once it's completely download, we are gonna go into our files. Okay, make sure that is right there. Okay, so you have it right here, and then you're gonna click on this, and then you're gonna double click on that, and make sure you have the PDF file, because that PDF file is the one that we're going to need. Okay, so once you have that download and you have your PDF file, you're gonna go to something that is called Google Docs. Okay, so we're gonna click on this. You gotta go to Google, right? And if you already have a Google account, you already have Google Docs. So we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna click on Google Docs. All right, and then you're gonna click on this plus button. And once you click on the plus button, you are going to click on File. Then you're gonna open, and then you're gonna see this right here. It says Upload. You're gonna click on Upload, and then you are gonna click on the file. Now, since you already have that right there, How to Lose Weight with the Right Foods, then you're gonna click on that, and then you're going to open that. Okay, once you get to this point, then you're gonna click in here, and then you're gonna create, and then you're gonna hit open with Google Docs. So we're gonna click on here, right? And as you can see, this is the product already downloaded in your Google Docs, and it gives you about 121 pages. Now you have all this ready, you have all this set up. It's time to go find a product that you guys can start promoting. Okay, so you are gonna go to the marketplace like ClickBank. There's many other affiliate programs that you guys can go join and just pick your affiliate links. But for this specific video, we're gonna use ClickBank. Okay, and what you need to do is you are gonna go into the marketplace. Now this is free to sign up. You sign up, you create your account. This is absolutely free. And then within the marketplace, you're gonna go look for health and fitness, and then you're gonna go and look for weight loss. Okay, because that's what we're trying to promote. Okay, so once we look for a product, I would like to say we can try the flat belly fix. Okay, so we're gonna click on promote. That promote is gonna give you your ID, and then you're gonna create, you gotta generate your hot link. This is your affiliate link. Okay, so you're gonna click on that, you're gonna copy it. Okay, now we have that. We're going to go back to our Google Docs. Okay, within the Google Docs, we are gonna start looking for places where we are going to add our affiliate links. Okay, so we're gonna go here, and what you need to do is place them in a lot of different pages. Okay, so when people are reading this, there's more opportunities for you to actually start making commissions by sending them to your affiliate link. Okay, so let's say we're gonna go here, and then you're gonna add, if you want to learn more about how, and actually what you need to do is we're gonna move this over. Sorry about that. That's gonna give you that range. Let's click right there. If you want to know how to lose weight with a better program, you're gonna tell them to click here. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna highlight this. Then you see that button right there, you're gonna click on that button, and then our affiliate link that we copy from the marketplace in ClickBank, you're gonna paste it, you're gonna apply it, and then if you want, you can actually click on here and highlight it. Okay, now what you need to do after this is you want to place this as many times as possible, because you have 121 pages, so you want to have them read all the way through this and then pick every other page if you want, right? Because you want to make sure that they see your affiliate link. So let's say we're gonna put it right here. So you want to find another spot. Let's say we're gonna go here. If you want to know more about how to lose more weight, click if you want to know more about how to lose weight, click here, and then you're gonna do the same thing here. Alright, we're gonna click on here, I'm gonna paste our link, I'm gonna apply it, and then what you actually can do is take this, right, and then you can copy it, and then you're gonna move within the pages, and then you are going to try to find spots where you're capable of adding this. So let's say you want to go here, then you can go back, enter, right, and then you are gonna paste that right there, and then you go over and over and over. Okay, so once you're done with the entire thing and you got all your affiliate links in place, you're gonna click on this button that says share. Okay, when you click on share, then it says anyone on the internet with this link can view it. You can change that. Okay, and this link is the one we're gonna copy it. Okay, once you have all that, you have a free ebook that you want to give away for free. You got your affiliate links within the ebook that you guys can give away, that people, hopefully that people will click on it, and you guys are gonna start earning commissions once they purchase from it. We're gonna go back to link 3. Now you're gonna click on that, you're gonna click on link 3, and then you see this where it says add new link. You're gonna click on that. Now that Google Doc URL that you have, you're gonna paste it, okay, and then you're gonna enter the title. Now we're gonna go back, and the title of the book is How to Lose Weight with the Right Food. Okay, so we're gonna go back here, and you're gonna enter how to lose weight with the right food. Enter, and once that turns on green, that means they're ready to go. Okay, so now you got one ebook, you got 2 ebooks, and what you need to do is you are going to have your own link 3 link. Okay, so you're gonna copy that. Okay, so now that it's copied, now we're gonna go back to Quora. Okay, and with Quora, you're gonna click on here, and then we are gonna go to our profile. Okay, now once you're in your profile, we're gonna click on this, and you're gonna kind of explain to people what is it that your profile is about, what are you about, and why are you here, right? And that's gonna be your and that this is going to be what is people are gonna come to. Okay, so when you see I love to help start fitness, you know, I have, if you really want to tell them exactly what you are about. So as you can see right here, I entered this one when I was doing just some of that test for my previous link, but I have another one. So what I want to do is I also want you to have my free ebooks so you can get more information on how to lose weight and keep it off forever. Okay, then you can add something like to get access to it, click here. Okay, so we're gonna click on here, you see this right here, you're gonna click on that, and the URL that you got from link 3 is the one that we're gonna add right here. So paste, add, and then update. Okay, so the next step is to actually go into Quora, and you are going to enter something, how to lose weight. Okay, so how can I lose weight quickly? What are some easy tricks to lose weight? Now you have two ebooks that people can use. So one of the simple things that you actually can do is, how do I, you gotta click on answer, right? And you already have the book. So you actually can go here and actually look for one of those tips. The 3-hour diet and diet revolution. You can actually read through this and use this as part of an answer, right? And then you go back to Quora and you write like, let's pick this up right here. Let's do something like this. You're gonna take this, right? You're gonna copy. You're gonna paste it, you know, and then you have your answer right there from the actual book. Now, please, the reason why I'm doing this is I want you to actually add a few things here and there. Don't just copy everything from the book. Add a few things, you know, since you already picked your niche, you probably know a little bit more about the subject, so you can actually make it your own. I'm not saying copy this, right? And then what you need to do is, if you want to know more about weight loss, visit my profile and get access to my free ebooks. Okay, and then you're gonna submit that answer to the question, and then when people see your answer and they actually like it, and they're gonna, you know, start upvoting your question, more people are gonna actually see, you know, like if you see right here, there are 661 people following this actual answer, and then people are gonna go look for your answer and say, wow, you know what, this person really knows what he's talking about. Then they're gonna click on your profile. This is gonna bring them to your profile, okay? And then they're gonna look that you have a free ebook, and then they're gonna click on that. It's gonna bring them to this page, and then they're going to either click on this or this, and then you already have an ebook with your affiliate links. They're going to download this, and then they're gonna read through the entire information, and they're going to find your affiliate links. You see, like, feel more information on how to lose weight, boom, they're gonna click in there and they're going to go to your affiliate link. So that's how this strategy works. Now, the beauty of this website Linktree is that you can add another link, right? You can go to this website for even more free ebooks, right? Because they have so many that you can actually have 4, 5, 6 free ebooks on your profile, and you keep answering questions on Quora. Eventually they're going to find you, and they're going to go through your profile and through your affiliate links. And that's how this works. And you can actually promote 4 different ebooks. You can promote 4 different products on every ebook, and that's how this actually works. Now, I hope that you guys like this video. I hope that this strategy really excites you and you go and start doing this, so you guys can start earning commissions. Now, since you made it to the end of the video, I actually want 4 people to comment on this video. Okay, when you comment, I want you to say free affiliate marketing foundation course. And when you do, I am gonna message you back, because I want you to send me your information so I can send you the link to the free affiliate marketing course that I'm opening up eventually. But first, I want 5 people to go through this to do a beta test. Okay, so with that being said, guys, I've been gone for a while, but now I'm back, and I hope that you like this video and that you actually take this seriously and you start actually using this strategy. It's very powerful. You can actually promote as many products as you want, and it can help you start making hundreds of dollars every single day. So with that being said, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.